Some big breaking news coming in. The COVID crisis is growing in Karnataka, and the state has recorded its biggest single-day spike with over 4,500 new cases on Saturday. But this is the scene inside a dedicated COVID hospital in the state. A rather unusual video of about 50 pigs moving in and about a government hospital in Kalaburgi has emerged. The opposition is now pointing out that the city corporation has no one at the helm, as there has been no appointment of a commissioner for Kalaburgi for over a week now. The pigs were later tranquilized by the authorities and removed from the hospital. Well, going across to Stacey for more details. Stacey, what could explain this? Hordes of pigs just wandering about in hospitals in the area.
Yes, quite embarrassing for the Yediyurappa government. We've seen so many other cases like this, and now another video emerging where you can see kids just moving around in a dedicated COVID hospital. Now, this is the Gulbarga Institute of Medical Sciences, which is the dedicated hospital in Kalaburgi district in North Karnataka. Well, like you were pointing out, there are now, it is a blame game of who really should be, take stock of the situation. You have the district commissioner now who's gone there at the spot after the pigs were tranquilized and has said that there should be a case, an FIR filed against the pig owners, whereas there's also a notice issued to the hospital at this point. So where does the buck stop? That's something that is going to be questioned. Like you mentioned, there's also no commissioner of Kalaburgi City Corporation at this point, which Priyank Kharge, leader, member of the opposition party Congress here, has pointed out. But yes, this embarrassing video of pigs roaming around in a dedicated COVID hospital is definitely something that the government will need to take stock of.
Right, and also raises questions, Stacey, about the basic sanitation protocol in these hospitals.
Absolutely pathetic. We have been seeing different kind of videos, in fact, emerging of hospitals with pathetic state of affairs there, the unhygienicness of it, and the fact that you're having animals roaming around in a dedicated COVID hospital is something that will, no kind of explanation will be enough or satisfied till the government really holds up people responsible for allowing such a thing to happen.
Right. All right, and meanwhile, the opposition has also started hitting out, saying that this is because there is no commissioner for Kalaburgi. Why is it that a commissioner has not been appointed until now, Stacey?
Well, it was Priyank Kharge, somebody who comes from in the North Karnataka district, who has pointed this out, saying that it is a sorry state of affairs. There hasn't been an appointment made. In fact, here in Bengaluru just yesterday, we had a transfer of the BBMP commissioner, who was also being pulled up regularly for the sad state of affairs here in Bengaluru city, and you had him replaced by another a former commissioner now who's come to replace him. But there have been a lot of issues regarding transfer of IAS officers as well, and for some reason Kalaburgi has not been, the city corporation has not yet been given an appointment of a commissioner.
All right, and also in that video, in the corridor in which we can see the pigs, Stacey, we can see a lot of people behind. So the hospital authorities seem absolutely unconcerned about the fact that, in the midst of the hospital, there are about 50 pigs roaming around.
Absolutely. It was only after there was a hue and cry made by the patients there and patients, coming and visiting. That's when this video has actually gone out and become viral now, and people are sharing it, because otherwise the hospital management has done absolutely nothing. In fact, now it will remain to be seen what they really answer to that notice that has been sent to them by the DC. But for now, the DC only this notice, as well as asking for a case to be registered against the pig owners at this point.
Right, but as of now, the pigs, we believe, are tranquilized and taken away. But way too many lapses, Stacey, being reported from hospitals in Karnataka. There were, various episodes that we reported earlier on the way bodies were disposed by the healthcare professionals, and now this video, this absolutely bizarre video. But stay on with us, Stacey. We also have Brijesh Kalappa of the Congress, who is with us on the phone line. So your first reaction to this video that has come forth, showing scores of pigs just wandering about in hospital corridors at a hospital in Kalaburgi?
See, I'd like to start with saying that Rahul had warned the government that from the 12th of February, that things are going to become extremely serious, and that there would be an extreme serious health crisis. And despite that, there were no preparatory efforts made at all by the central government nor by the state government. Now, today you have seen sights of pigs walking around the hospital corridors. You have seen bodies being thrown with, in the most callous manner into burial pits. You have seen that patients who are waiting for ambulance die while waiting for the ambulance. Ambulance never reaches. You see in hospitals that there are unending queues. Hundreds and hundreds of people, there are no beds for them. There are people who require ventilators. Ventilators are being purchased at 4 lakh, at 12 lakh, 18 lakh a piece, where they're only worth 4 lakh. So this is, it's complete chaos. And the point is that this is run by a government which has purchased MLAs and then, formulated its own majority. So it's that kind of government which is in place, and that is a BJP government. But fear among the people is that even if the BJP were to be defeated in an election, even a further election government would then be purchased by the BJP. So then again you'll have a BJP government. So it's extremely sickening. This entire atmosphere that has been set about is totally sickening. It makes people, wince in pain and in absolute agony of what is happening to our state.
All right. Thank you, Brijesh Kalappa, for joining us on the broadcast. The opposition hitting out, saying that what is happening